Hi, I'm Matthew Kay and I'm a patient here at this lovely dentist. Well, I ignored the dentist for about 7 years, so I started to get toothache and I had loads of fillings I wanted to get taken out. So a little research online, I found this place had loads of reviews, so I ended up getting my teeth fixed. So the fillings coming out it was actually quite a comfortable experience, is probably the wrong way to describe it, but it wasn't painful. They started off by putting like a little balloon thing around the tooth, so you got no splinters of the old filling going down your throat and swallowing it. And the guys were great. They talk you through it. If you feel uncomfortable at any time, they'll reassure you and stop if you can't handle it anymore.
Matt came to see me to have his amalgam fillings replaced. We used protective measures to minimise his exposure to mercury. He's very health conscious, so he wanted to make sure that we were placing the most biocompatible materials in his mouth. He's a lovely young chap to treat, and we always have a little bit of a giggle when he comes in for his appointments.
I would definitely recommend the Holistic Dental Centre. So during my time travelling to different dentists, I never really enjoyed the experience. I hated it actually. And then coming to these guys, it's a lot more casual and more homely with these guys, and they do amazing work. Thank you to the Holistic Dental Centre, Emma and the guys, for fixing my smile and being so great.